Hello everybody and welcome to another build vlog. Today's computer build features a solid mid-tier office PC featuring an Intel Core i5 6-core processor, a full suite of NVMe storage and dedicated graphics. Today's CPU is a Intel Core i5 9th gen CPU, the 9400F. We have 8GB of Patriot Viper 3000 MHz RAM in DDR4 configuration. Our boot drive is an ADATA 512GB NVMe drive, and we're also using a crucial NVMe drive, this time a 1TB variation for storage. Our motherboard is an ASRock B365M Pro motherboard. This is a fully featured board for this particular chipset, featuring dual NVMe slots for drives and gigabyte LAN as well by Intel and various other exciting features. So a feature-packed board and full of connections and everything that we need for this. The graphics card that we're using today is an NVIDIA GeForce 1650 card, which is a 4GB card and gives us connections for DVI and HDMI monitors. Power is given to us by a 500 watt air-cooled power supply. Today's case is a Cooler Master Silencio 352 case. This particular case is optimized for quiet operation, features USB 3 card readers in the front and a dust filtration system. Front and side panels have been equipped with sound deadening material to keep vibrations and noises to a minimum. Well, let's get on with the build.